A lawyer is and must be the high priest at the shrine of justice. Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Quatra from IME Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company. And today, the topic that I am going to share is Advocate Protection Bill. So you all must be aware that Education Protection Bill has been drafted recently by BCI, and the metaphor that I have used in the starting of the video, that a lawyer is and must be at high price at the shrine of justice, is the religious metaphor that has been used to tell the role of the lawyer in the society. So we all know that a lawyer is the statue of truth, integrity, and honor, and he performs multi-dimensional tasks. They give us legal aid regarding any property, family, or any marriage dispute, and many more disputes. And he performs many tasks like this, and he is the only person that represents his client to the court and provides him with the justice. But several times these people are criticized by the public and are physically harassed, and lawyers doesn't have any legal aid that they can seek from court to protect themselves. And now they are being threatened, and they fear that if they will take this or that case, their life and their family life are at stake. So they resist to take so many cases now because their life is at stake. Guys, there was a time when lawyers class was the elite class, but now they are being criticized by the public and they don't have any means to protect them. Recently, there was a case in which Sri Ram Sharma, a Jaipur-based lawyer, was physically harassed with his wife, and the similar case happened in Telangana as well. So I don't know why there was not any protection act. There was protection act for doctors, there was protection act for public servants, but for lawyers there was not at all a protection act. But after a long wait, BCI has called for it and suggested to draft a advocate protection bill. So guys, this was the need of an hour, and they finally listened and have suggested to draft an advocate protection bill. So, for the bill, 7-member committee was nominated and was asked to make the bill in keeping in mind the problems and challenges faced by the advocate and their families. And the BCI is of the opinion that if the police and judiciary is getting protection, so why lawyers don't get it? Because they are the person who bridge the gap between the police official or public servant and the judiciary, so they should also get the privilege. So now I will tell you the committee. I will tell you about the committee. The members were: first is Advocate Suresh Chandra Shrimali, second is Advocate Shailendra Dubey, third is Advocate A. Rami Reddy, and fourth is Advocate Srinath Tripathi, fifth is Senior Advocate Devi Prasad Dhal, and next is Senior Advocate S. Prabhakaran. I'm so sorry, Prabhakaran, and the last one is Advocate Prashant Kumar Singh. So these are the 7 members who will draft the advocate protection bill, and BCI have also asked for suggestion from the stakeholders like BCI, Bar Council of India, and High Court and the Supreme Court latest by 9 July. So the bill elaborates the act of violence that has been done on the advocate, which include harassment, injury, coercion, passing defamatory statement, etc. And the further punishment of the same has also been given. So if anybody will do the act of violence against any family member of the advocate or the advocate himself, he will get the jail of 6 months, and the jail will be extended till 5 years. It could be extended to 5 years, and he will get the fine up to rupees 1 lakh. If that offender repeats that offense of violence to the family member of the advocate or the advocate itself, then the member will get jail up to 1 year, and that jail may be extended to 10 years, right? So these are one of the provisions that has been drafted in the bill. There are many more, police protection will also be given to the advocate if he or she is under any act of violence done by the offender. So guys, I think this is a great step that has been taken by BCI. Now advocate are able to work freely, and they will take cases that whatever they want. They will no, they will say no, they will not say no to cases, and they will work without any hindrance. So tell me, what do you think about this in the comment section below, and keep sharing, keep liking, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.